Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Simrat Russo.
I'm Robil.
We are back with another video to Tigrinya Tuesday. So super excited to have you back. We're going to be talking about Tigrinya sentences, right?
Sentence structure.
Yes, sentence structure.
Oh, that's good. I need this.
Good. So welcome. If you're new to our channel, welcome to our channel, and don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell button so every time we upload every Tuesday you don't miss our videos. So are you excited?
Oh,
Yes. So let's get into it. All right, you guys, so we're gonna start. Are you excited?
Are
you ready? I'm gonna say the English and Tigrinya. You're gonna repeat after me. So we're gonna be building a sentences. I, ane.
Ane.
I am, iye.
So the verb I am is iye. Iye.
I am a student.
I am a student.
Ane tamaharai iye.
Ane temaharai iye.
Yes.
So temahare means student.
Student. Yes.
So it goes ane,
Uh-huh.
I,
Uh-huh.
temahare,
Uh-huh.
student,
Yes.
iye, I am.
Uh-huh.
So it goes pronoun, subject, verb in that order.
That's right. Teacher, professor.
All right, that helps. That helps me going
Yes.
forward. So if I remember that, pronoun, subject, verb.
Yes. Okay, so next, you, nisukha. So this is gonna be for male, like a boy.
Okay.
Right? Single.
Single male.
Yes.
Okay.
You, nisukha.
Nisukha. Nisukha.
Yes. You are, ikha.
Ika.
You are good. Nisukha, nufur, ikha.
Nisukha. Nufor. Ika.
Yes.
Is that good?
Yes. That's perfect.
Let me try it again.
Go ahead.
Nisukha. Nufo. Ika.
Yes. That's great.
You
Perfect.
are good.
You're really good. Like, this is real. You're really good at this.
Yeah, Anile.
Ganzoka. Okay, next is gonna be female or girl, right? Single.
Single. Singular.
You, singular. You, nisukhi.
Nisiki.
Yes.
Nisiki.
You are, ihi.
Ichi.
Uh-huh.
Ichi.
You are beautiful. Nisukhi, tsibirti, ihi.
Nisiki. Tisipti.
Tsibirti,
Tsibuti.
ihi.
Ihi.
Ranele.
You're welcome. Gizepka.
Ganzevki. Yes. So next, for male, you nisukhatkum
Nuskatkum. Nuskatkum.
will be like for boys, right?
Male.
Yeah.
Plural. So
Yes.
more than one boy.
Yes.
Nuskatkum.
Yes.
Nuskatkum.
Nisukhatkum.
Nuskatkum.
You nisukhatkum.
You. Nuskatkum.
You are ichum.
Echum. Echum. Did I say it right? Why are you looking like that?
Ila.
Echum.
Strong to your throat.
Echum.
Ichum.
Oh.
Light.
Ichum.
Yes.
Ichum.
That's it. Okay. You are Eritrean. Nisukhatkum.
I am Erich.
Yes.
Robil Afawerki.
I forgot you changed your last name. Yes, Afawerki.
Okay,
That's
all
right.
Go ahead. Sorry.
Okay. You are Eritrean. Nisukhatkum Etrawian Ichum. It might be a little hard.
Neskaaktom Eritrean Ichum.
Yes. Good job.
Did I say it right?
Yes.
Can I try it again?
Go ahead.
I have to read it though. Neskaaktom Neskaatkum Eritrean Ichum.
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 Like Ichum.
Ichum.
Yes.
Ichum.
Yes.
All right.
Good job. Perfect.
So it's pronoun, subject, verb.
Verb.
So it's you Eritrean are.
This will be for female or girl, more than one, right? You, nisachatken,
Niskahatken,
you are ichen,
Ichen,
you are a hero, nisachatken, jeganu ichen.
Niskahatken, Jeganu, Iken.
Yes. Do you want to repeat that or you good?
Niskahatken, Jeganu, Iken.
Good job.
You are a hero.
Yes. Next, he, nisu,
Nisu,
he is EU.
EU,
He is my boyfriend. Nisu arke EU.
Nisu, Arke, EU.
Yes. She, Nisa.
Nisa,
She is Iya.
Iya,
She is tall. Nisa, Nawah Iya.
Nisa, Noah, Iya. Nisa, Noah, Iya.
Yes. Good job. We, Nihna.
We, Nihina,
We are Ina.
Ina,
We are brothers. Nihna, Ahawat, Ina.
Nihina, Awat, Ina. Nihina, Awat, Ina.
Yes, Ahawat.
We are Ahawat. Ahawat, Ina.
Yes.
They,
They, Nisatom.
Nisatom,
They are Iyom.
Iom,
They are with us. Nisatom, Misana, Iyom.
Nisatom, Masana, Iom.
All right, guys. So next is gonna be questioning Robel. I'm gonna say it in English, and then you're gonna say it in Tigrinya.
Okay.
Are you ready for that?
Oa.
Oh, I am a student.
I am a student. Ane, Temaharai, Iye.
Wow, that's perfect.
Ane, Temaharai, Iye.
Yes, you are a student. Great student at
Good
that.
student.
Good. Bravo. All right, next is gonna be you are good.
You are good.
Yes.
Nusaka, Nufu, Ika.
Yes. Yes. You said it right. Perfect. Good job.
My pronunciation was good?
Yeah, I'm telling you, you're better than me. All right, you guys. So, you ready for the next one?
Harai. I mean, Oa.
Oh, tell me I'm beautiful. In Tigrinya.
All right. I forgot it already.
Oh,
That
God.
was good. Nusaki, Tsabukti, Eki.
Oh, thank you.
I mean it.
Thank you. You're hired. All right, so I want you to tell me in Tigrinya, you are Eritrean.
Nasatkom, Ertrayan, Eku.
Ichum.
Ichum. Okay.
Try that again.
All right. Nasatkom, Ertrayan, Echum.
Bravo! Yes, we are Eritrean.
Nasufi, Ertrawit, Ichi.
Yes! All right, guys, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with us. We are all done. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us thumbs up, leave us a comment, or share our videos. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, thank you, guys. Say bye, Delu. Ciao.